This is an amp connector. I only have one wire. This is a 2-holer. There's one wire in here right now for illustration. Part number 73152-96BK. 73156 would be a 6-hole. You can buy one if you want to have a look inside. I'm going to peel this tab back so you can see what I'm doing in here. First of all, release the secondary lock. That's back here. This is it. Right here. I put a green line on here to show how far you reach in to the upper area here. It's this little tab back in here that you're going to lift. This is the primary lock. Reach in, lift the little tab, pull the wire out. It's that simple.